Welcome to Astronomy and Religion in Aztec Civilization. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore how the celestial tapestry deeply wove into the spiritual and daily fabric of one of history's most intriguing civilizations. For the ancient Aztecs, the sky was not merely a distant expanse. It was a living, breathing entity, a divine stage where gods played out cosmic dramas that directly impacted human existence. Their profound understanding of celestial mechanics was truly remarkable. The cosmos was central to every aspect of Aztec life. From predicting agricultural cycles to orchestrating grand religious ceremonies, the stars, planets, and sun were their ultimate guides. In this video, we'll delve into the intricate relationship between Aztec astronomy and their polytheistic religion, examining how celestial observations shaped their worldview, their calendars, and even their most sacred rituals, including human sacrifice. The Aztecs meticulously observed the heavens, not just for practical purposes, but to understand the will and movements of their gods. Each celestial body was often associated with a specific deity, embodying its power and influence. The stars and planets were seen as manifestations of divine beings. The sun, for example, was identified with Huitzilopochtli, the mighty god of war and sacrifice, requiring constant nourishment to ensure its daily journey across the sky. Venus, known as Tlahuizcalpantecutli, the Lord of the Dawn, held immense significance. Its appearances and disappearances were crucial for timing warfare and other vital societal events, believed to bring both good and ill omens. To track these celestial movements and their divine implications, the Aztecs developed two sophisticated and interconnected calendrical systems, far more advanced than many European systems of their time. First, the Xiuhpohualli, or solar calendar, consisted of 365 days, divided into 18 months of 20 days each, with 5 extra unlucky days at the end. It was primarily used for agricultural cycles and civic events. Complementing this was the Tonalpohualli, the sacred calendar, a 260-day cycle used for divinatory purposes and determining auspicious dates for rituals. It was a complex combination of 20-day signs and 13 numbers. These calendars were not just timekeeping devices, they were sacred instruments. They dictated daily life, from planting seasons to the very timing of religious rituals, ensuring harmony with the cosmic order. Perhaps the most dramatic and often misunderstood aspect of Aztec religion was human sacrifice. For the Aztecs, these offerings were not acts of cruelty, but vital necessities to maintain cosmic balance and appease the gods. Astronomical events played a critical role in determining the timing and nature of these sacrifices. Eclipses, solstices, equinoxes, and the heliacal rising of certain stars were seen as powerful omens, signaling the need for specific offerings. The belief was that the gods, particularly the sun, required human blood and hearts as nourishment to continue their cycles. Without these sacrifices, the universe itself could unravel, leading to chaos and destruction. For instance, sacrifices to Huitzilopochtli were often performed at the height of the dry season, linked to the sun's most intense period to ensure bountiful rains. The new fire ceremony, observed every 52 years when the two calendars realigned, involved mass sacrifices to guarantee the sun's rebirth. The Aztecs also embedded their astronomical knowledge into their magnificent architecture, constructing temples and structures that were precisely aligned with celestial events. Evidence of these alignments is abundant in sites like Tenochtitlan. Structures were designed to mark the sun's path at solstices and equinoxes, creating dramatic light and shadow effects that emphasize the connection between earthly temples and the divine cosmos. The Templo Mayor, for example, was oriented to the equinoxes, with the sun rising directly between its two main shrines on those days, symbolizing the perfect balance of the two principal deities, Huitzilopochtli and Tlaloc. The Aztec civilization, though often remembered for its rituals, left behind an equally compelling legacy of sophisticated astronomical understanding. Their precise observations, complex calendrical systems, and architectural brilliance reveal a people deeply attuned to the rhythms of the cosmos. This knowledge wasn't just scientific, it was inherently spiritual, guiding their worldview. The Aztecs remind us how intricately astronomy, religion, and daily life can intertwine, forming a worldview where the human realm and the divine cosmos were inseparable. Their legacy continues to inspire awe and curiosity about our shared human quest to understand the universe.